What's up, pal? In the previous video, we made a kill brick and a poison part. So now we are going to make a heal pad. As always, let's prepare it. First, make a part that looks like a pad. Anchor it. Change its color to lime green. Now, go to your toolbox and change the category to decals. Search for heal in the search box. Then find the right image. Got it. We insert the script into the pad and let's start scripting. Always remember to delete this print line because it will look similar to the kill break. So let's start scripting. Script.Parent.Touched connect function hit if game.Players GetPlayerFromCharacter hit.Parent, then hit.Parent.Humanoid.Health equal 100. It looks pretty simple, but it's very useful for your game. Now, let's try the pad together. By the way, I've already set a part that will reduce our health to half. The script is below this video. Let's make our health low first. Good, now let's see what happens if we touch the pad.
Nice.
I know you're confused about the code, so I am here to explain it to you. You can watch my kill brick tutorial video because I explain the script in detail there. But in this video, I just want to explain this line. It means set your health to 100%. So if you change the number to 15, so your health will be more low than before. Why? Because this equal symbol doesn't increase or decrease your health, but it will set to the exact number. Now, let's play a little game. Let me see if you can do what I do perfectly. So here the task for you. Go create a heal pad, but this pad won't fully heal you. Instead, make it set your health to a half and a quarter, aka 75%. No more questions? Quest started. Damn, you make it? Good. I don't have any lesson for you, but you should check my channel because there are many great videos for Roblox developers like you. Thanks for watching. See you.